In Bangladesh, every HVAC-R project presents unique challenges, from intense heat to complex building demands. Architects need expert partners who can balance aesthetics, functionality, and efficiency. Professional architects look for expert HVAC providers who can manage these challenges. Why architect and consultant choose Tritech? Because Tritech have in-house large dedicated HVAC design team, full 360-degree product ecosystem, proven performance in Bangladesh's landmark projects. From concept to commissioning, Tritech ensures seamless integration of aesthetics, energy efficiency, and system reliability. That's why leading architects and consultants choose Tritech. Let's build your next HVAC project together. Contact us today.